Okay, so same case here. I'm gonna use exactly the same method, the elimination method, to solve the second example. Okay, so first step, we must make sure that either D or E has the exact same number. So tell me, can you see them in the same number right now? Right here, there's nothing stated, so it's 1, and here it's 2. No, right? They are not the same because 1 does not equals to 2. And right here we have 2, right here we have 3. They are also equal. So what we have to do is actually to make them equal. Wow, how to make them equal? So this is actually what we have to do now. So in order to make them equal, you can choose to focus on D or focus on E. So for me, I think focus on D is much easier because I just have to use D plus 2E equals to 5, and then I multiply 2 for everyone. I just multiply 2. Okay, why do I want to multiply 2? Because I want to get 2D. You see, I want to make them with the same number. That's why I multiply 2. You don't just multiply with D only and then you leave 2E and 5 alone. That's not right, because in an equation, everything has to be equally fair. Whatever you give to D, you have to give to 5, you have to give to 2E as well, or else they'll be angry, you know? So you have to treat them equally. So we just kind of like solve them, like we multiply them. So 2 times 2e you get 4e, and 5 times 2 you get 10. So right now we are ready to solve. This will be the first equation and this will be the second equation. We are ready to solve because D and E has the exact same number, which is 2 in front. Okay, so we use the first equation minus the second equation as stated in step 2. So what we do next is just minus them. Copy down the first equation and minus the second equation. Then copy down the first equation minus the second equation. Copy down the first equation minus the second equation. So it's pretty simple. 2D minus 2D, you eliminate them because they are equal to 0. 4e minus 3e, you only left with e. That's pretty easy to deal with. 10 minus 8, you get 2. So immediately you found e equals to 2. And remember, this is not the end of the step yet. You still have to find d in order to solve the whole equation. So d plus 2e equals to 5. D plus 2e. What is e? E is 2. So you can find d. So d equals to 1. Yay! So you have found both d and e by using the elimination method. Is it very easy? I hope you understand what I'm doing. Okay, that's all for this.